Okay, we are doing a lithium battery, Bedrock battery install on this Club Car. Not sure what vintage this is, possibly mid-90s. So the battery's in, the wires are hooked up. Now it's time to deal with the onboard computer bypass. And the problem we have is, unlike most of these DS models, there is no blue and white wire to join together. So what we're going to do is take this yellow wire and we're going to connect this to the controller on the ground side. We're going to use shrinkable connectors. And then we're going to use this wire, which used to go to the front part of the cab where the charger plugs in. But as you can see, that goes to ground on the controller. And there is our connection. I'll shrink that up in a sec. The onboard computer has been removed and the wire has been pulled back and a new end put on it like the previous video advised. That's it. That should work.